How to change account holder name in Amazon Prime Video. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Amazon Prime Video website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, head over to your accounts and settings page. In this page, here you can see Edit on Amazon option. Tap on this. It will prompt you to log into Amazon.com. So sign into your account first. After you are signed in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change the account holder's name, here at the top you can see the name section, and right beside that you can see the edit option. Tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to this change your name section. Tap on this field. You can now edit your name over here. You can now change to a different name as you wish. Once you are done editing, you can tap on the Save Changes button. And there you go. That's how you can easily change your account holder's name in your Prime Video account. It will be now successfully modified throughout your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more techniques. Thank you for watching.